I miss you guys. Kamusta? I just had a car accident, guys. Just arrived from the hospital. Yeah. Yes, bro. Like, ang dami nangyari kahapon. Sino kasama ko? Good thing ako lang. I just want to update you guys. I just came from a car accident. So, yeah. Wow. That was intense. That was intense, bro. And ngayon, nakalawaki ako kasi yung car ko, which is total wreckage, andun yung car keys ko. And hindi pa nakukuha. So, I don't have a place to stay in. I just want to update you guys. Happy birthday to me. Birthday din ako ng March 1. So I just had this. So yeah. Very good week. And I just woke up. So basically, kakagising ko lang. Birthday. Happy birthday to me, malala. Happy birthday to me, malala. You know? Lagi ka sa Di naman, ngayon lang ako na-car accident. May sugat ka, yes, I have. Pero okay naman siya. Nothing so serious. Pero imagine mo yung parang yung life, when I was there, kasi parang umikot-ikot yung car ko. Like, gumulong-gulong siya. Parang feeling ko, my life flashed before me. Yung literal na ganun. Totoo pala nangyayari yun, you know? So that's what I felt nung I was on that night. So, yeah. It was intense. Very intense. What truly makes me happy, mapagawa ko yung kotse ko. That will make me happy. Mapagawa ko yung sasakyan. yung car din nung accident ko. So this shirt from Zara. Shit, ano. Yes, ako yung nagda-drive. Gusto ko na lang maging kulangot. Sobrang lakas, medyo malakas siya, kaya gumulong. Tapos, on top of that, I don't have my eyeglasses. Paano damit mo? Ayun na nga, ito po yung damit ko na sinuot kahapon. So this is my dress, guys. So, medyo tinitingnan. But yeah, this is what I wore yesterday. So, wala pa akong palit. Wala pa po akong palit.
Hi guys.
Hi,
Guys, Cholo almost died. Grabe, ito talaga yung second life niya.
Second life ko na to, guys.
Grabe.
For real, I'd say this was my second life. Kasi, like, my car was on total wreckage sa loob. But, gumulong-gulong
What
ako.
was the song playing when your car crashed?
Tate McRae sports car.
Kaya pala.
Sports car.
Okay, let's play that.
Ay, by trauma na ako sa Tate McRae song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero guys, grabe. Buti okay si Cholo. Pero,
Yeah, thankfully.
dami niyang sugat.
Marami akong sugat. Guys, basta gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na magpasalamat kayo. Hindi, I mean, thankful lang din ako kasi more than the car, kasi yung car, nababayaran yan eh. Yung, di ba? At least walang nadamay, like, walang taong na-involve, walang mga na-aksidente. So, I'm grateful. Pera lang yan eh. Kahit malaki. Pero, pag yung buhay involved, that's a lot of, it's a different topic, you know. Nagpa-check up ka? Yes, I did. Papa-CTS, MRI scan, and CTI scan pa ako. But other than that, yeah, I did the necessary protocols.
Kaya guys, pray for Cholo kasi...
But just please pray for me na... Just please pray for me, guys. Tumama yung ulo. Oo. Story time, what happened? So basically... Basta yun. Bumaliktad ako. I came from work, an event. So medyo late na natapos yung event kasi it's kind of I'd say my after party. So I went home, like going home from the party in BGC.
Pero he didn't drink, guys. He was just super tired from work.
I was so tired, and on top of that pa, yeah, I'm just really kind of exhausted. So may laps din sa part ko, but thankfully nga, gratefully na walang nangyari other than a few bruises. But the car was, I'd say, total wreckage talaga. And I don't know how I was able to survive kasi nga the impact was so strong na tumilapon ako. So, yeah. Thank you, Jeffrey. Just please pray for me. And I miss you guys. Medyo ngayon, I'm just saying it tayo sa inyo live like I'm this, but sa utak ko pa, nagwawala na sila. Like, fuck. It was so intense. Sobrang intense kahapon. What happened si other car? Thankfully, wala din napahamak dun sa car. It's just like, bangga. May bangga. So yun, regluhin na lang, but I don't have my car with me then. It's towed somewhere there, so I don't know how am I gonna be able to get it and how I'm gonna be able to fix it. Parang feeling ko ano na yun eh, palitan na yun eh. But that was so that was intense. Sobrang intense nun. If the car's insured, new one? Seryoso? Di ko alam kung insured kasi yung that car, that was my old car. I'm driving na yung bago, but pinapagawa kasi. So yung car na yun, that was a spare car, I'd say. Yung car na yun was like parang 10 years ago pa. Now na next time pag magde-drive ako, make sure na hindi ako exhausted na. Actually, medyo nakatulog ako sa car. Nag-change ka ng condo? No, I'm staying at my friend's condo, Waki, kasi I'm locked. Like, I can't access my condo because my condo keys is in the car, which is papunta pa lang yung kotse ko. Ay, yung car, yung susi. Kasi, yun na, nasa crash site yung susi. Okay, say hi ka.
Hi.
Hi, guys. So, ayun. Si Alibu, yun nga eh. Yun yung inaano ko. At buti na lang may feeder ako doon, dog feeder. But, hindi ko pa nakita si Ellie. Yeah. But next time, wala akong Next time punta tayo Batangas kasi hindi mo na ako makakapunta ng Batangas kasi I just had a car accident. Who's with you? Thankfully kasi wala naman, but may sinamahan ako ng friend ko, si Kobe. Yes, Kobe. When was this? Kahapon lang. Kanina pala, kaninang gabi. I just had it kanina. Bawal, wala. Car, hindi naman, no. Hindi siya ma-open kasi car case. Thank God. Thank God, I was safe. Kobe the TikTok the risk? Yes. Kobe Francisco. How's he? Good thing di siya kasama nung bumaliktad yung kotse. Kasi nauna na ako. Supposedly sasabay siya pero parang nag-French exit na kasi ako dun sa event. So hindi siya nakasabay. Pero nalaman niyang I had an accident. Sinamahan niya ako all throughout sa police station. Yeah, kasi syempre I had to deal it with ang daming police doon. Kumusta pa pakiramdam ko? Wait lang. Kamusta pakiramdam? If I'm being honest, I'm not feeling really good. Feeling sad. I'm just sad, guys. But wala, it is what it is. Grateful ako na, you know, I survived. Walang nangyari sa akin. So, yun na lang.
Hold on. Alexa, play music.
Your Spotify.
Chess, I had acne here, so...
Wait lang, give me a sec.
Food Panda na sa baba. Fuck! What's happening? Sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Oops, sorry, guys. Ano ba to? The food is there sa baba. I'm gonna... My food, yes, my food si Ellie. Miss you guys. Alexa, lower the volume. Ay, nako guys. Si Waki po, andito po si Waki. What am I supposed to do, bro? Oopsie. Meron pa akong makikita. Sana... Oh my God, ang dami nangyari kahapon. So I have to pick it up in Marikina. As well, my car is being towed, na-discarga yung car ko. So kailangan ko pa siyang i-series. Alam mo lang magkano siningil sa akin? Puta, 1.5. But nalaman ko may Motolite app pala na 200 pesos lang pala yun, yung pag magpapa-restart ng kotse. But yeah, I paid fucking 1.5, bro. 3 beses, ang dami nangyari kagabi. Kahapon. I don't know why did it just happen. Signs of what? What sign? Swerte na malas. Yung food sa baba, kukunin ko mamaya. Papasitis ko na ako. Sino nasa bed? Si Waki. I can't access my condo, bro. Who's with you that time? I'm with my friend, but fortunately, buti hindi siya sakay that time. Have you slept na? Yes, I did. I just woke up kanina. What dresses? I don't know. I'm dead. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. Yeah, my second life was in Manami Resort kasi bro, nawalan ako ng preno doon. Yung bus namin nawalan ng preno sa resort. Tapos pa-slide kami pababa. That was my second life. I guess this was my third. Grabe, ngayon naman nag-ikot-ikot ako. Parang ikot-ikot lang. What I'm feeling right now, I'm feeling shit. I'm so shit. I'm feeling, I don't know, chaotic. Feeling ko, I need this. Like, parang nag-live na lang ako. But I'm just really feeling, I'm not feeling good, guys. But, gratefully, okay lang. At least, diba? Hindi malala yung nangyari. But, learning lesson na din sa akin. Learning lesson. Fuck. Yeah. Thank you guys. Just please pray for me. Please pray. Yeah, basta yun lang guys. Sa mga hindi bagong pasok, I just had a car accident. I had a car accident kanina. But thank you for checking up on me, guys. Really appreciate it. And this is my birthday month. I just had my birthday March 1, guys. So this was post-birthday. Malaki, sobrang laki. Yes, I'm okay. Thank you, Chaotic Charm. Yeah, ngayon I'm just gutom na gutom. Yeah, feeling ko buti buhay pa ako. Buhay pa. So yun. Shirt I got this from Zara. Zara, guys. This shirt. Sino nakahiga sa kama? Si Waki. But if tumalon po yung kotse ko, gumulong-gulong po ako. Opo, totoo. Yung ganun. Nagbaliktad siya. Parang ito yung car ko, gumanon siya. Kala ko pang nasa teleserye ako kanina. What do your parents say? My parents say, are you safe? Medyo heavy on the. I'm okay naman, guys. Don't worry. I'm far from not being safe. Oy. Wala, I just woke up din guys. I just woke up. This is my clothes from yesterday. So wanna see Waki? Okay. Waki's here. I'm just chilling sa condo kasi I can't access my condo since my condo keys is sa kotse. What's that?
Ellie.
Hi, Ali. No, I'm not
Say it again, say it
okay.
again.
Are you okay, bitch? Like, what the fuck?
I'm not okay. I'm okay naman physically, but mentally, fuck.
The car, like...
The car, total wreckage
Yeah, I
yung...
know, like, Jonas' friend sent me the photo.
Diba? Bro, like, we just saw each other
Which
from
friend?
the party.
His friend's trying to hit on me. I was
Wait,
like,
Jonas on live.
Sino friend?
Si ano. Yeah, ito. Well, yeah, anyway.
Kilala ko.
You know, I
Yes, move on na lang tayo. At least, you're okay and be thankful. Move on. You're safe, be kind. Yes. Dapat lang. Was that Bella? No, it's Ellie. That's our other friends, Ellie. Should mag-usap. All will be well, guys. Anyway, let's change the topic. Let's talk about near-death experiences. Joke lang. Let's talk about something else. I might go live later, guys. Pumayat, yes, I did. Pumayat ako. Let's talk about... Kayo, kamusta kayo? Can't find the Zara shirt. I bought it in the physical store. Please rest. Pakagising ko lang. Just woke up around 3. Yeah. I just wanna... Nasa na yung food ko? Nasa baba.
I'm glad that you're understanding. I was just worried.
Guys, I'm gonna say, I'm just updating you guys, and in a while, 5:30, end ako ng live. I should eat na, mga 5:30, no? Guys, pasensya na, basta, dyan lang kayo, dito din ako, I love you, and, yun, I love you guys. And see you here. Paminsan-minsan. I love you guys. Hi, si ano? CJ, how are you? Kamusta ka? Hi, Carlo. Hi, Siopaw. Hi. Mahal din kita, Chaotic Charm. Thank you, Chaotic. I've been seeing your edits. I love you, and it's cute. And yeah. Gets you naman ako eh. And Denise. Hi, Denise. Candido. Carla, thank you for also staying. Marian, thank you so much. The painting, this isn't my condo. This is my other friend's condo. So, my condo, wala ako sa condo. But I just want to say I'm grateful for this despite nangyari, but I feel like I had it was intense talaga. It was really intense. Like imagine like umikot-ikot ako. Like umikot, gravity